keep starting clips of Nancy. My foot's falling asleep and I don't want to move because you better bother. Alright guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday. We're supposed to get a nasty snowstorm tomorrow. I'm not going to Mackenzie's tomorrow. I'm going to go to work and hopefully we can beat the storm. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh, I'm tired. Alright. We'll see you guys in a little bit. I really don't have much to do right now. Alright. Alright guys, I just looked at the TV because like it just got done watching the news and this just showed up on the, yeah. We only have a winter weather advisory, but there's a winter storm warning for the lakeshore, and we have a winter storm advisory, winter weather advisory. Yay, the first one of the season! It's gonna be a white Christmas, I'm really hoping. Last year, we didn't have any snow in December, and if we did, it all melted. So hopefully it'll be a white Christmas this year. I know I'm probably gonna get smacked upside the head by my mom for this, but I do want a white Christmas, guys. I do like snow. I'd like to go sledding too. So, alright. I will see you guys in a little bit. Project number 3,454, getting this freaking living room clean so we can decorate. Mr. Sassy Pants over here. You can fall asleep, dude. Your eyes are getting super heavy. Hi, handsome. He's just so handsome. Super sassy. What's wrong, boo-boo? What were you just yelling at me about? Mom should be home soon. Alright guys, I have been waiting for this since they announced that they were going to do Hairspray. So we're going to watch some Hairspray live, guys. I got my hot chocolate. It's going to start. I love the movie. I've loved the movie since I've seen it. So I'm so excited. Alright guys, I hope you're all watching this. Come on, it's Derek Huff. Come on. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. You guys are going to tell me what you guys thought of tonight's ABC or NBC's musical, okay? Alright. Alright guys, it's that time of night. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Press that like button at the bottom and give this a like. Sorry. I will put my Instagram and Snapchat usernames in the link below. Make sure you give those a follow because I do post on those quite a bit. Make sure that you also subscribe to the Cat Sid Vicious and Nancy because there'll be some really, really cute holiday videos coming up soon. Also, if you guys are planning to donate or volunteer for the holiday season, make sure that you guys donate or volunteer to your local animal rescue or shelter and adopt. Don't shop, guys. Love you!